Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of Flow. You will go to settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Flow and you can click here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.